How are you today? Good morning, Coco. Hi. So I think he's well adjusted. He's eating his favorite Royal Canin indoor. But we will transition him soon with our regular food. Lakas niya kumain. So that's how I normally prepare my beverage. I don't really like drinking coffee. That's why I really love Dolce Gusto because compared to Nespresso, it has more. Let's check if it's clean. Okay. Kasi Dolce Gusto has more beverage na non-coffee. Like this one, this is green tea latte. And this app is super helpful kasi walang timer itong Dolce Gusto model ko. It's an old Dolce Gusto, but it works perfectly well. This one has been phased out. Hindi mo na mabibili to. But what I love about this is that I've upgraded the water tank. I asked my friend from Europe to buy it for me. So this one is actually upgraded. Yung original tank niya is a lot smaller. This is like super size. So I really, really love this. It's a special Dolce Gusto machine. Coco, what's going on? Hmm? What's going on? Coco, what are you doing? Yeah. He speaks a lot. He's a chatter. He makes a lot of noise. He likes to talk to people. Diba, Coco? Cokes. Coco. Hey. Yeah, I know. Are you enjoying your life with me? Cokes. Hindi raw. Alright, so before I actually put on makeup for the day, pini-face PIXIE ko muna yung mga hormonal acne ko. I really love the blue light. Like this one is pagaling na. This is a new one. And then yung sa forehead ko pagaling na. Ito, it takes so long. Mawala. Ah. Anyway, so I didn't really get to sleep much last night kasi I've been very, very excited. I don't want to preempt anything, but I'm currently working on some new releases for Caticorn. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. It's gonna be cool. We've got new stuff to announce probably in the next 2 months. Depende, may kinakausap pa kasi ako. So aside from that, basta the rest of the year is gonna be exciting for Caticorn kasi we've planned so many things for the company. You know, I'm just happy that Caticorn is doing okay. Like, the way people received our deodorant was really, really amazing. I'm really happy. I mean, the sense of fulfillment that your product is bringing joy, and I guess it's eliminating, parang it brings people closer to being healthy. It's really, really fulfilling. So I'm really, really happy with that. Imagine the number of people who have switched from their old deodorant to using Caticorn's deodorant. So I'm really very happy with our deodorant. If you haven't heard about it, go check out Caticorn Dreams. I'll put the IG handle here. So you guys can check it out or put the picture here. Ayan. Para makita nyo. So we basically have two deodorants. Isang original, which has lavender scent, and the other one is charcoal, which has peppermint scent. So the two oils are very, very diluted. So it's safe for everyday use. Number 2, it's safe for kids, adults. Kids naman, they don't use deodorant. Usually pag teens na sila, right? So, anybody who's 9 years old and above, you can definitely use kasi yung peppermint hindi pwede sa 6 and below. But it's very, very low diluted, right? Pwede sa pregnant women, pwede sa lahat. Pwede sa lactating women, pwede siya sa lahat. So, you've had very, very good response on both products. You've had repeat purchases. Charcoal is leading the way. More people like charcoal kasi it has peppermint. So, meron talaga siyang cooling effect. It's amazing. I normally run 2 rounds of this. And last night, I've been working very, very hard kasi we are planning another cool release. So, I need to check like yung safety and everything. It's gonna be cool. And we are hoping to join an event this August. Secret pa siya. Hindi rin sure pa kung mangyayari. So, I'm trying to negotiate to launch the new products. So, I'm very excited for that. I hope it all works out. I'd probably give them a call today. Today is Saturday. I hope that's okay. Anyway, so yun, I'm just very busy with all these projects. Aside from that, I also have like a secret project on another brand. So, can't say it, but I've been working hard on it also. And what else? And I had a pending meeting to work with another brand, so I hope it all works out. Anyway, let me just finish this and drink my stuff and put on makeup. So I'll take you na to the studio because I need also to set up like the space and yung kits na students. Hindi ko pa talaga nagagawa, but I did a little prep yesterday. I printed na there, but anyway, I'm so excited. That's not until 2 p.m. I still have time. Ano pa bang gagawin ko? Yeah, I just need to prepare the space. So, catch you later. So for today, we started the session with the ear acu-detox. Basically, this is a 30 to 45-minute session wherein the participant or the patient will have 5 needles on each of his or her ear to detoxify his or her entire body.
May tendency mag-bleed yung point na tinanggalan. So doon yung detox. Kasi yung point ng ear acupuncture is, well, yung buong acupuncture, binabalance niya yung energy natin in the body. So itong ear acupuncture, hinihit niya yung number 1, yung sympathetic point natin. So dyan yung minsan marirelax ka, yung nervous system natin. Next is the Shenmen, yung emotions. Parang pinaka-heart natin. And then next yung kidney. Di ba yan yung pang-detox na pinag-filter, the liver and the lungs. Itong tatlong to, sila yung pinaka-important na organ sa body natin pag nag-filter, nag-detox. So yan yung tinatamaan natin para ma-detox yung body natin.
Sa akin, may maramdaman ka sa antisis na?
Hindi naman, wala naman. Depende kasi per person eh.
Oo.
Sometimes nagbe-bleed.
Oo. May mararamdaman, dapat ba may maramdaman akong significant? Dapat?
Depende. May ibang tao kasi, iba-iba yung feeling nila eh. May iba parang may anesthetic feeling sa head. Parang bigla lang parang may electric na.
Okay.
How many times,
Oo, yun pa yun next.
Kunyari, pag saka-start mo lang, pwede natin gawin every other day. Pwede naman.
So, pwede siya.
Oo, pwede
Pwede
siya
siya kung may nararamdaman ka or anything.
Actually,
Every other day?
pwede. Out na lang yung needle mag-isa. So, may mga ganun, matagal na tusok, tapos bigla siyang magpa-pop out.
Hindi, sobrang hindi masakit. Wala lang.
Mas masakit
Mas
pa yung
masakit
agad
pa
ng
ng an.
ng
Diba? Here na. Yung ear kasi natin, ano siya, may mga points, lahat ng body parts natin, meron points na nasa ear.
So here's our very skilled acupuncturist doing her thing. And you can see that our students are enjoying the session very, very much. If you are not that comfortable with needles, don't worry because the acupuncturist also has ear seating wherein you just put on magnets. Those are just stick-on magnets that you put on your ear and it delivers the same benefit. Alright, so it's time for us to have our EO blending session or our essential oil workshop. Drop in your oils first and then top it up with your carrier oil. So there you go guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join me on my next essential oil workshop here in Quezon City. That's gonna be this July 27. I will put the poster in a bit. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!